supplementary cause list, item number 1 for pronouncement of judgment.
I'll read only the operative portion. So the judge asks the you why. He said, "Sir, true. Incident is true, but no clue." See, that's the same state here. The action of the petitioner would say that she doesn't have a case, but you have gone the wrong way. Followed. So it's a hint I'm giving you. It's up to you. I'll just read out to you. The manner in which the inquiry was carried out would reflect carelessness and non-application of mind, and even scant regard to the required norms and formalities to be followed whenever an inquiry is to be conducted. No formal show cause notice was issued upon the petitioner, nor was there any statement of the relevant witnesses ever recorded. Finally, it also appears that no opportunity was given to the petitioner or the complainant. That is the respondent number 7 to be heard in the matter. On this ground alone, the principle of natural justice not being followed, the impugn order is liable to be set aside and quashed. So I've set out the procedures to be followed. Without any detailed discussion on the other authorities cited by the petitioner as well as the respondent, some of which are found relevant to the merits of the case herein, suffice it to say that on the observation made by this court here and above, it is found that the petitioner has made out a case for interference with the impugn order. Accordingly, this petition is allowed. The impugn order dated so-and-so is hereby set aside and quashed. The petitioner is directed to be reinstated as the head teacher, headmistress of the said Tirapara Girls SSA LP School. Hello.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7.
7.
I pray that this matter may come up after 1 week, Your Lordship.
7. Why?
Item number 7.
Which one? My junior friend is appearing on behalf of Ms. B. Ghosh, who is on with.
No, but
Lordship's last order was for filing of affidavits by Mr. KP and the state. Sorry, the school and the state.
No, but I think you have to come up with an instruction as to whether to withdraw the petition.
I've received limited instruction that
in the light of the advertisement, being
my humble submission before this honourable court is matter still very much arguable. It's not becoming infructuous, my lord. I'll convince, my lord. I'll convince. But I was pointing out, my lord, humbly that they were supposed to file affidavits. So whether the affidavits are being filed, my lord.
If they have sought for time, that means they have not yet filed.
State has to file.
Not on record.
State has to
What
file.
about?
Lordship, I am appearing for state's respondent. I just received instruction yesterday. Yes. I'll file it.
So 1 week's time. 1 week. On prayer made by Mr. H. Harmi Leonard, additional senior GA, appearing for the state respondent, seeking time to file the affidavit. That is adjourned. This is same after 1 week.
May I please, Your Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 5. I pray this matter will come after 1 week.
Okay. on premium by petitioner, list this matter after 1 week. You hear, Mr. Khan? You're in this case?
Lordship, yes, no? Lordship, similar prayer for item number 6. Item number 6, Lordship, the hearing was concluded and petitioner was, both of us was asked to find a written argument small.
We have filed today.
We have received a copy, Lordship. Lordship, can you give me 1 week's time? Or 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Let the matter come up.
Okay, it's fixed in the hearing column as well. Anyway.
Okay.
Daily list, item number 1.
May it please his lordship. Lordship, this is the case whether it will come under the new CRPC or the old CRPC. So that is, lordship, we checked that no new deed has been fixed for that pending matter before the DB, your lordship.
We'll have to wait. And what can we do? So we'll take up the matter after. Wait, I hope.
Yes, what? The nothing. 31st, your lordship, today.
Today is 31st.
After a week, then.
Huh?
We'll take it up after a week.
Lordship, yes.
We don't know when the order will be passed. I have not signed the order, so I have not seen the date. On prayer made by the parties, in view of the matter dealing with the issue in question, that is the applicability of the old code or the new code in this matter, the same pending, the same which is pending before the division bench of this court. Matters adjourned. List the same after 1 week.
Obliged, your lordship.
Item number 2.
My lord, even in this case, my lord, similar issue, my lord.
Same issues there, Mills.
Same order.
Mills, only one small submission. This was an anticipatory bail application, Mills. May I pray while your lordships are, Mills, seized of the matter and deciding the main issue, whether it will be under the new code or the old code, whether notices can be issued to the respondents, Mills?
That is exactly there's a similar matter yesterday when it was taken up.
Mills, before the division bench, Mills.
No, not division, even before the single bench, before this
Even
court.
before this court. Mills.
So even if notice is to be issued, whether it should be under the old code, new code, because there are specific provisions to that.
My lord.
We'll await matter to be after 1 week, perhaps be resolved.
Mills.
Same order.
Item number 3.
The law seems to have more or less crystallized on it.
Yes.
Some judgments have come.
By the time the order is passed, I think we would have been, clear as far as the issue is concerned.
Item number 3.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Application under section 483 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, my lord. In this case, lordship,
Yes, Mr.
Charge sheet was made.
Mr. Jawan, before you proceed further,
Yes,
if you
my lord.
have just listened to the proceedings just before your case is taken up, you would have heard that
My lord.
there are similar bail matters which could not be taken up
Yes, lordship.
in view of the fact that there is an order of the division bench awaiting, which is awaited by this court, and which will
My lord.
decide as to which provision to be followed, old code or new code. So this
My
code,
lord.
this code is yet to be, to be guided rather, as to what is to be applicable, old code or new code. So under
My
these
lord.
circumstances, we have to wait. We'll see
Lordship.
next week then.
Then, A date may be fixed, Lordship, in that case, my lord.
We'll fix the date. We don't know. You see, one is the order of the division bench to be passed. Okay, fix it on 8th. Same order.
8th, Lordship.
Yes, on 8th.
My lord.
Thank you.
Obliged, Lord.
Item number 4.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, on the last occasion, Your Lordship was pleased to allow us to strike the name of the respondent number 2, who is the former chief of the Darbar Hima, Your Lordship, and to implement Shri Brilliant Henry's aim, who is the acting chief of the Darbar, Your Lordship. So we've already filed the application.
Where is the application? Yes, I think.
My lord, I'm appearing for respondent number 3 in this matter. We received this application day before yesterday. I am seeking some time to obtain instructions, my lord, because the basis of this application is their statement that number 2 actually is the Darbar. Number 2 represented by the chief. Their statement is that the chief has been replaced, has been suspended, and therefore there is a new chief, and they want to bring in the new chief, my lord. Actually, this matter is slightly complicated because if Lordship looks at the writ petition, the cause title, page 4, page 4 of the writ petition. Lordship will see the array of parties. Number 2 is what they want, who they want to strike out.
Yes.
Darbar of Hima Langrin CMship, represented by his chief, namely Shri N.S. Simyong,
Yes.
So and so. Now, number 3, that is I, if Lordship kindly sees, Management Board, Law so and so, represented by its chairman, who is also the chief of Hima Langrin CMship, namely Shri N.S. Simyong, the same person. So now, apparently, according to them, I have to take instructions. Apparently, he's been suspended of the Darbar. Now, whether that has an impact on his office of the chairman is something I need to be clear.
Management board.
Yes, because if there is an impact, then I'll have to object against the striking out. I'll have to take instructions. About a week's time, maybe, kindly given to me. Because I'm not clear what is the relationship between 2 and 3. Whether because he's the chief of the Darbar, he's also therefore chairman. Because if that is the case, then even number 3 goes then.
Yes.
Then even I cannot appear.
You cannot appear.
I'll just take instructions about a week's time. Maybe. Week or 2 weeks, whatever.
In Your Lordship, we also pray for 2 weeks' time to file a rejoinder in the main petition.
That would not be necessary. First, we have to go through the formalities of at least ascertaining as to who are the necessary and proper parties.
Yes.
As prayed for by the parties. This is matter of 1 week.
2 weeks more, because they are in interior area. It takes a little effort on my part to contact them.
Video call will do.
Very well. 1 week.
1 week.
Obliged.
Highly obliged. Item number 6.
Lordship, in this matter, I filed the written submission on behalf of the respondent.
I have also filed, my lord.
The arguments is completed.
I have highlighted the relevant paras, my lord. I have flagged also.
On the parties having filed their respective written argument, this matter is now reserved for judgment.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Obliged. Okay, money. Okay, sir. We need to see. Okay, sir. Why to see? Whatever the court decides, whatever based on